Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Garima Sachdeva from Department of IT. The subject that we are doing is Foundations of Management. Today's topic for this video is Management Planning. The topics that will be covered are concept and definition of planning, characteristics of planning, objectives of planning, and process of planning. Concept and definition. See, planning can be defined as thinking in advance what is to be done, when it is to be done, how it is to be done, and by whom it should be done. That means all the parameters required for any business. Planning bridges the gap between where we are standing today and where we want to reach. Planning involves setting objectives and deciding in advance the appropriate course of action to achieve these objectives. So we can also define planning as setting up of objectives and targets and formulating an action plan to achieve them. Another important ingredient of planning is time. Plans are always developed for a fixed time period, as no business can go on planning endlessly. Definition. We can define planning as setting objectives for a given period of time, formulating various course of action to achieve them, and then selecting the best possible alternative for the different course of actions. Characteristics of planning. Planning contributes to the objectives. Why we are doing planning? To complete certain objectives. Planning is a primary function of management. Before doing anything, we have to plan so that we could do things in an organized manner. It is pervasive, applicable at all the levels of management. It's futuristic and forward-looking, because we are planning, so we are forecasting. Planning is continuous. Planning involves decision making, and it is a mental exercise. Objectives. Planning provides direction. It also reduces the risk of uncertainties. Why? Because we have already forecasted those uncertainties, and we have already done certain prerequisites to overcome those uncertainties. Planning reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. It also promotes innovative ideas. It facilitates decision making, establishes standard of controlling, and focuses attention on objectives of the company. The process of planning. It says setting up of an objective. So why we are doing planning? Developing the premises, that is the parameters under which we have to do plan, considering our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Listing the various alternatives for achieving the said objectives. Evaluate different alternatives according to different parameters. Select an alternative that is best suited for that course of time. Implement that particular plan or alternative, and then follow up regarding how it is going. Is it going as per the plan or not? Thank you.